Hey everyone, welcome back to our Python tutorial series. Today, we'll dive into an essential concept in Python programming, variables. In this quick guide, you'll learn what variables are, how to use them, and why they're so crucial in Python. So let's get started. In Python, a variable is like a container that holds a value. It's a way for us to give a name to a piece of data, such as a number, a string, or any other type of information we want to store and use later. To create a variable in Python, you simply choose a name for it and use the equal sign to assign a value to it. For example, age equals 25 creates a variable named age and assigns the value 25 to it. When naming variables, keep these rules in mind. Variable names can contain letters, numbers, and underscores. They must start with a letter or an underscore, not a number. Variable name. In Python, variables can hold different types of data: integer, whole numbers like 42 or 17, float, numbers with a decimal point like 3.14 or 0.5, string, text inside single or double quotes like hello or Python, Boolean, true or false values used in conditional statements. One of the great things about variables in Python is that you can change their values after creation. For example, you can reassign a variable like this: x equals 10 feet, and later x equals 20. Variables are incredibly useful for performing operations. You can add, subtract, multiply, or divide them, just like regular numbers. When you have string variables, you can also concatenate them, which means combining them together. For example, first name equals John and last name equals Doe. By doing full name equals first name plus last name, we get John Doe. To see the value stored in a variable, we use the print function. Just pass the variable name as an argument, and Python will display its value. That's a quick guide to Python variables. You now understand what variables are, how to declare and use them, and how they can hold different types of data. Variables are the building blocks of any Python program, so mastering them is essential for your coding journey. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Python tutorials. Happy coding!